So guy is having a cough. Hey, tell him what you did. We're starting our final session of this. I know I haven't updated you in a long time, but I'm doing my shining part of it. So I'm really excited. So final stage. This morning was an interesting morning. Sorry, there's noise all over. Because when I went to take Tommy out, there's a dog running up and down the streets. It's a little one, like a little poodle type of dog. And I was like, oh crap. So I took Tommy in the house, I left him there, and then I chased after this dog up and down the streets of our thing. Up and down, up and down, up and down, until his owner finally came out, realized he had gotten out, and was like, come here, come here. And then they were like, thank you so much for chasing him down and not letting him get hit by a car. So there's two cars that I was like, wait, there's a little dog, and he ran by, and I couldn't catch him. So, good deed of the day. Dishwasher's running, my thing is running, and dryer's running. It is this kind of day today, which means the weather dropped, or not the weather, the temperature dropped, and that's usually when I get asthma, so I got my inhaler out today. So guy is having a cough, aren't you, Bubba? Poor little thing. There he is, now he's up. He's been, oh, okay. This is why I don't think he's sick. I think he has a hairball because he does things like that. Come on. Or maybe even allergies, because like his little eye is kind of bugging. So I think he's having allergies. It's okay, huh? Yeah, it kind of sucks. Do you want to drop that? Oh. And play by yourself, huh? T, go in the back. No, go. There you go. That right there is why that stays open. Because we're constantly accidentally popping it back there when we throw it that way. And when we throw it more towards the chair. But when somebody else comes over and they're throwing it for Tom, they throw it against the air conditioner, which I just think is kind of funny. But what are you looking for? You gonna get some water? Some breakfast? Breakfast. Do you want your eggie? Gotcha. Can I have the paw? Hey. Can I have the paw? Paw? Today, pa. Thank you. I think someone is stealing.